Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. So last video we're showing off the 1940s, late 1940s passenger car with some very unique trucks on it, and we're going to do some running videos. Now with that being said, one of the things that I'm going to be doing is running some cars that y'all have not ever seen on this channel, and that is the 1950s and 60s hand scratch built refrigerated cars. And I did throw two extras onto the train just because they are part of the refrigerator group, and that one of them was F&M, painted F&M, and the KKR scratch build that was done here recently. So that will be on board this train, but we're fixing to start running it so that y'all can see some of these most wonderful, iconic, true O-scale models that I've been managing to save. I do still have two left to go. However, I got to make some pieces for them and order some freight trucks for it. And of course, one of the reefers on here, I still got to make the catwalk for it, but it is rolling and running. It's one of the heaviest ones out of all of them. So let's get to rolling on this, and hopefully y'all enjoy the run session. And because we've also got a work train coming up as well. Yes, I'm moving around a lot because I'm trying to get used to this whole new phone thing right here. It's kind of cool though. So let's get rolling. You know what's cool about this road?
What?
The big refrigerator right there is actually running good. Other than the fact we need the larger radius tracks.
Which one?
The big gray one, black and gray.
Oh.
Alright, so right here, this first car is the King Kepner Ranch refrigerated car that was actually redone to, like, say, like, represent an earlier time of the ranch. Say, like, maybe, preferably when the ranch first got started. And they didn't want to really change the colors. They had black and gray before it went to the intense metallic blue pearl. Down here, we have the Union car. Armor. This is the one that I will have to do work to. As you can see, it's missing its catwalk, so I'm going to have to make one. But it's rolling. It's one of the heaviest ones. F&M repaint. This also has some modifications done. And the very early attempt of the King Kepner Ranch refrigerated outside brace car. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys and gals. Just a short one, doing some running so y'all can see some of the train cars that y'all haven't seen before. And that is actually really cool to see these 1950s and 60s actually running for the first time on my rails and running under a three rail O system. So that's really cool to have that. I'm looking forward to seeing some more, eventually be in a position where, say, the train is 15, 20 cars long, as far as for the O scale size. But other than that, we're going to end this video right here. I've got the updated work train coming, and we'll see y'all on the next video here just shortly. As always, keep the shiny side up, rubber down. I will see you on the next video here shortly. Y'all have a wonderful day.